Alrighty YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today we got the first official video on the new Stark. I got this bike a few days ago and I really wasn't able to ride it too much yet just because my knee was so busted up from the one video. I don't know if you guys saw that, but my first time at the motocross track, I ended up getting hurt. So I'm still not 100%, but I'm just going to try to go as hard as I can still. But we're at a super sick spot. I'm just at the local trails by my house. As you can tell, there's a bunch of different hill climbs and there's like this little roller right here that probably doesn't look big on camera, but it's actually like a 25, maybe 30-foot roller down, and then it comes right up here to this jump, and then this jump kind of just goes down right up here, and then you can go hit the hill climbs back up. Alright, let's just start off the video with hitting this. I got the bike in mode 2 right now, which is set to like 35 horsepower. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. That's a pretty sick jump. And you can go back up here. This Stark Red looks so clean. Cannot go wrong with a ride on a dirt bike. Whew, we're cooking. Oh, there's a real sharp turn up here though. Let's go this way. The torque on this bike actually feels ridiculous. Those little rocks are slippery. You know what I am going to be doing soon though, guys, is going to the dunes. So that's going to be a ton of fun. I'm curious how this thing will do in the dunes. Hill climb. What is this? There's like a little tiki hut in the middle of the woods here. That's pretty cool. Let me check this out real quick. Damn, it looks like someone put a lot of work into this. That's pretty cool though. Definitely looks like it hasn't been used in a long time. It's so damn hot out today. It's like 90 degrees. I'm sweating my balls off. Well, as you can tell, the bars are all crooked now, the phone's all tilted, so I'm gonna go back to the house, see if I could fix that. If not, I'll probably have to bring it somewhere, which sucks. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely drop a sub. But until next time, guys, peace out.